नमस्कार। जैन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जीतो का बिगेस्ट इवेंट हैदराबाद हाईटेक सिटी हाईटेक्स ग्राउंड में होने जा रहा है 3, 4, 5 अक्टूबर को, जिसका उद्घाटन भारत के रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह द्वारा किया जाएगा। इस प्रोग्राम में कई नेतागण जैसे कि हमारे कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर भूपेंद्र जी यादव, पंजाब के गवर्नर गुलाब जी कटारिया, तेलंगाना के चीफ मिनिस्टर रेवंत रेड्डी गारू, हमारे मिनिस्टर श्रीधर बाबू एवं कई गणमान्य व्यक्ति उपस्थित रहेंगे। 600 से अधिक स्टॉल्स, 50 से अधिक स्पीकर सेशंस एवं 3 एंटरटेनमेंट नाइट इस प्रोग्राम में रहेगी और कई स्पीकर जैसे कि स्मृति ईरानी, बाबा रामदेव, स्मृति ईरानी है, बाबा रामदेव एवं कई स्पीकर इसमें सम्मिलित रहेंगे। तो मैं सबसे निवेदन करता हूं कि मैक्सिमम नंबर्स में हैदराबाद पधारें और इस इवेंट में भाग लें। धन्यवाद।
Jain International Trade Organization, JITO, popularly known, is organizing its biggest event, which happens once in 2 years in Hyderabad on 3rd, 4th, 5th October, where all the members of JITO would come together on one platform to display the power of one. This event is not only for Jains but for everybody, open for all. We take this opportunity to invite everybody to this mega event where we have exhibition stalls in terms of various segments like buildings, the modern infrastructure, the business bay, the property pavilion, the bridal story, the lifestyle, and AI and startup. We also have, as our chairman earlier said, the inaugural session being inaugurated by Honorable Minister of Defence, Government of India, Sri Rajnath Singh Ji, Sri Bhupender Ji Yadav, the Central Minister. Then we have Revanth Reddy Garu from the Honorable CM of Telangana. We have the Honorable Speaker Gaddam Prasad Garu. We have Sridhar Babu, the Honorable Minister for Industries from Telangana, all joining for the inauguration of this event. We have many eminent speakers, right from Smriti Irani to Sridhar Vembu to Boman Irani to the captain of Indian T20, Surya Kumar Yadav, popularly known as Sky. We also have financial wizards, right from Navneet Munot, Motilal Oswal, Vijay Kedia, and many more coming to enhance this event. We also have 3 entertainment nights. We have lot of other events on sidelines. We have events there for the ladies wing. We have events from the youth wing dedicated to their members. And this event is happening at HITEX and HICC. We would like everybody of you to come and enhance the prestige of this mega event. Thank you for joining us.
Largest exhibition held on 3, 4, 5 October at HITEX. The total exhibition area is 6 lakh square feet and the speaker session 2 lakh square feet. The total stalls in 5 halls is 600 plus stalls is already sold out, and we expected 2 lakhs above gathering from the city and 10 to 15,000 from other state. Thank you.
అవుతున్నాయి. ఒకటే మాట చెప్పాలి, ఇది అగ్రిమెంట్, ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ మన జెన్ ఈ ట్రేడ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ చేస్తున్నాయి, కానీ ఇది ఈజ్ ఓపెన్ ఫర్ ఆల్. ఇది సిర్ఫ్ కమ్యూనిటీ స్పెసిఫిక్ కాదు, దీనిలో పార్టిసిపేట్ కూడా అందరు చేస్తున్నారు. ఇంకా ఇది అన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ఎగ్జిబిషన్కి అందరు రావచ్చు. ఇది మీకు తెలియచేస్తుంది.
30th before there is no
38
registration charges.
ఆన్లైన్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఉన్నాయి. 38 ముందు ఆన్లైన్ రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తే ఏం ఛార్జ్ లేవు, లేకుంటే అక్కడ 100 రూపాయలు ఎంట్రీ ఛార్జ్. వాళ్ళు ఈ సిటీది మొత్తం బిల్డర్లు, అన్ని పెద్ద బిల్డర్లు స్టాల్లో ఉన్నారు. డిజైనర్ బ్రైడల్ స్టోరీ అని ఉమెన్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఉన్నాయి. దాంట్లో మొత్తం పెద్ద డిజైనర్ తరుణ్ తిలాని, అబూ సందీప్, ఇంకా చాలా జ్యువెల్లర్లు, మన శివరాజ్ లక్ష్మీచందు, ఇంకా చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద జ్యువెల్లర్లు వస్తున్నారు. సో అందరికి ఇది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీరు స్ప్రెడ్ చేయాలి, ఇంకా అందరు వచ్చే లెక్క చూడండి.
Organizing this exhibition 3rd, 4th and 5th October. What is JITO? The main objective of JITO is the Seva, knowledge and economic empowerment. So this is the business conclave exhibition where all the 5 halls of the HITEX has been taken by us, and even the HICC for the speaker session. So this is going to be one of the biggest exhibitions which JITO conducts every 2 years, but this time after 18 years we got a chance at Hyderabad to organize this exhibition, and we want our local public to be a part of this exhibition. So we request everybody, please come in good numbers and be a part of it. Thank you.
3rd, 4th and 5th in Hyderabad, it is going to be a mega event, a mega exhibition. हैदराबाद में अगर किसी के घर में शादी है तो कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ हाईटेक्स एग्जीबिशन आ जाना है. वहाँ पर शादी रिलेटेड एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर, पिन टू प्लेन. शादी में जो ज़रूरत होता है, कपड़े से लगाकर गहना, ज्वेलरी, घर भी दहेज में देना है तो वहाँ पर अवेलेबल है, और एट अफोर्डेबल कॉस्ट और डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में. तो सभी हैदराबाद वालों से निवेदन है कि 3, 4, 5 को हाईटेक्स एग्जीबिशन सेंटर में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा संख्या में पधारे. धन्यवाद.
Good evening. Greetings of the day. As everyone has already briefed you about JITO, its activities, and how many people are coming from all over India and global also, lot of people are coming. Apart from this, more important is we have other sectors like JBN, GTAM, JIF, where these are like business networking sectors, and lot more sessions will be there with lot of business transactions will also take place apart from the exhibition, exhibitors, speakers. So this is what I just wanted to add. Thank you.
बट आओगे कैसे अंदर? सो वी आर लाइक दैट गेट कीपर्स वेटिंग टू वेलकम यू. अब इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन जो है आपको एक QR कोड के थ्रू करना है. देयर इज़ एन ऐप विच यू हैव टू गो एंड रजिस्टर. You have to download and then you have to register. That is number 1. It has all the details. कौन से प्रोग्राम्स कब है, सवेरे कितने बजे से चालू हो रहे हैं, शाम में कितने बजे से चालू हो रहे हैं. Then it will go on till the night. 3 days we have musical evening also. Okay. So the first day we have Shankar Mahadevan. Second day we have Pritam. And third day we have the most famous personality of politics as well as in the Kavita Kshetra, that is Kumar Vishwas and his troupe, and also Manoj Muntashir bhi aa rahe hain. So this is all in all a very big package that you are going to have, and we want everyone to come here, learn, earn and enjoy. That is the most important thing, because speaker sessions bhi hai, people from all across globe are coming to address you, to share the knowledge with you. So this is all in a nutshell that I can tell you. And इसके अलावा और कुछ भी आपको questions है, so we are here to share the details.